Make yourself do a favor by pressing the red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Since everyone is unboxing the OnePlus 6, I thought why not go back in time and unbox the OnePlus 5T. Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the OnePlus 5T. After removing the top lid, which I believe is the most satisfying part of the unboxing, we are greeted by the phone itself. The phone is placed in a red tray, and inside the box we have the usual Type-C cable and dash charger. Keeping the phone aside, the box contains a TPU based phone cover, also there is a SIM tray ejector and usual paperwork like quick start guide, system information and some OnePlus stickers. The phone comes with a 5.99-inch 18:9 display, a metal bag and dual rear camera setup. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here are some other videos that you might like. Thank you for watching. Peace.